Efficient coal transportation is a cornerstone of global trade. This is how a ship operator manages the critical process of loading from a mining jetty. The process begins with a precise approach and secure mooring. The ship's crew works in tandem with dock personnel to ensure the vessel is safely positioned. Clear communication is vital. The ship's bridge establishes a line of command with the terminal control room before any operations commence. Safety is our top priority. A thorough briefing and equipment inspection are mandatory before any cargo operation begins. With safety protocols complete, the loading arm is positioned over the designated hold, initiating the transfer sequence. The loading begins. The ship's crew continuously monitors the process to ensure an even distribution of cargo, preventing structural stress. Precision is key. Regular density and level checks are performed to achieve the optimal and safe loading capacity. The process is repeated across all holds, with the ship's team coordinating closely to maintain efficiency and stability throughout. As the final hold is filled, the loading arm is safely stowed. A final visual inspection confirms the cargo is secure and evenly distributed. The official documentation is completed, acknowledging the successful transfer of the coal cargo from the terminal to the vessel. With all operations concluded and safety confirmed, the vessel is ready to depart, beginning its journey to deliver the vital cargo.
Subscribe for more video.